Guys, I think I found probably the most original elevator in 2 Gateway Center. I'm not sure. I kind of made our time. Let's see if it's going to fan and stop again. Whoa! Wrong one. This thing is being temperamental. Whoa! Is it purposely stopping one? Okay. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this elevator's on this original controller, at least from the Selectomatic-era. But look at this. This probably used to be the panel where they call identify stuff at. You know, getting on. I'm just documenting this elevator.
Okay.
I think it used to be single control originally.
Oh yeah.
I'll let you have the elevator to itself. Okay. Okay. Oops. I love that bell. Oh yeah, that was a little awkward scenario. How about this elevator here? Yeah. Yeah. I think we got ourselves some. I think that was originally single control actually. That's cool. Plaster. Okay. This place is like a maze. Does this elevator even work? Or doesn't it? Come on. I'm kind of stuck with this one here. Okay. Let's risk riding again. This button probably works. I don't even think that button works. I think that was added in for ADA compliance reasons. Let's hope nobody's on it. I want to document this thing just one last time before I continue. I'm just going to take a quick caveat with this. This thing's fast, but also very glitchy too. Come on, oh, the call station is burnt out, but look at this old button here. It's probably original from the 50s. Oh, okay. I know it says freight service elevator, but still. This thing's slow. Shouldn't even bother recording it still. I think it was installed in like 1952, I believe. And it was originally single control. Pretty sure the rest of the elevators here were single control as well. Possibly. Look at this door frame. No drop keyhole. Come on. Oh, here it is. I don't even think that one works though.
No.
No, it doesn't. Okay. What floor?
We're going up to 18.
18?
Maybe I'm going to get on last. I can take a regular elevator.
Okay. We're up to 18. It's like a lot of people going up to 18, you know?
Catch the next
Go.
one. Or do you want to?
No, that's okay, Daryl.
I think you're better off getting on this one because this elevator just randomly stops. I think it's on its original Selectomatic controller.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm just recording elevators. I just do it as a hobby because I'm just, you know, a lot of people do it on YouTube, and I find this elevator kind of fascinating because it's still mostly original from this full point.
Okay.
You see how it found stops here?
It always stops on one.
Yeah. I don't know if that's part of purposely or it's just a glitch.
No, it always does it on one.
Right. And then it's... Whoa! Holy crap. This thing's fast. My ears are popping. Okay.
All right, Daryl, you're going to get off first.
Okay. Whoa! This thing is fun. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna hold the door button open. I think this was originally maybe signal control because of that little panel over here.
Yeah.
Because how it has like the lights and stuff.
Have a good day.
Okay, you too. I didn't understand. Oh, what's in that bell? It's very original. Whoa. But anyway, let's take a look at this cab. This is probably the most original cab in the whole building, you know? Hey, look at that tray lighting and stuff in that. It's obviously a service elevator, but look at that. Okay, here we go. I wonder. Let's see if I can pull an epic door close. Boom, shakalaka. There we go. Booyah! Bam! Oh, and here we're in the basement. Well, that was fast. Obviously, these fixtures aren't original, but that is original. I mean, before we go, look at this. Annunciator or whatever, call recognition. So yeah, that was the service elevator at 2 Gateway Center. Hope you enjoyed it.